How to hide from someone on Snapchat. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account. Now go to the human icon under your Snapchat name, scroll down, and under my stories, you have to click add to my story. Click this one. So when you click this one, you have two story settings. So once you click this, you need to click this custom. When you click this custom option, you can choose those people who can view your story. So you can tap their name or you can block those people who do you want to see your story. So what I'm doing now is I am tapping the names of the people and block them because I don't want them to see my stories on Snapchat. So once I am not satisfied with this list, I can also type the specific name of my friend and block him or her so that she cannot see my story. As easy as that. Once done, you can go back to your settings and try to share a story. Let's just say I'm going to share a story from my gallery. So all I have to do is to tap this camera roll, pick a picture here. Let's just say, for example, this one, and then click this arrow here to add the picture to your Snapchat story. As easy as that. Thank you for watching.